Hello everybody, Zan here, and today we will take a look at how to repair a dent on a bodyline. And make sure you watch till the end, where I will give you my tech tip on how to best attack that kind of dents. For demonstration purposes, we will use an air cannon to make a dent on the bodyline on these doors. First step is to check the axis of the dent so you can evaluate what kind of tools you will need to use. We need to use a window wedge and a window guard to provide access to the dent and protect the glass. Here we can see the dent is easily accessible, so the repair will be easier than if the dent was behind the brace. Let's see the repair process in time-lapse. Here we can see the final product. The dent turned out amazing. As promised before, my tech tip for this kind of repair is to attack the bodyline first. There are two approaches to bodyline repairs. Some technicians prefer to start either from the top or bottom, bringing the metal towards the bodyline, while others, including me, prefer to go after the bodyline first and make it as flat as possible. There is no right or wrong approach here, as long as the repair is clean at the end. However, personally, I think it's easier to go after the bodyline first, so you can put the actual panel back into original shape. It might not make a big difference when attacking the smaller dents, but when doing big smashes, it makes a huge difference for me. Thank you for watching, but before you go, please let me know what kind of video would you like to see next down in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to see the video next week.